let's start write our multi-stage build Docker file. Create a Docker file dot multi. Let me create this. So let me insert a comment saying multi-stage start the stage. So there let me use from go. I literally can copy paste this. Except the CMD, you can copy paste this. So I'm going to use the Golang image, and I'm going to create a directory called app, and I'm going to copy all the content. Okay, add is a newest command. Okay, so it is better to use the add instead of copy. So add also provides you from a different location. If you want to copy a directory, you can do that. Okay, so either it can be host to add or add to host. Both the direction it's supported. Okay, so but add is a better option because there is a latest version. Okay, add, and then work directory, I will come back to that. The next example we are going to see about what is a work directory. So basically, imagine that you have your application, and by default, Docker will point the working directory to the slash. Instead of, if you want to change it to change the directory of the Docker container, you can use the work directory. The next example, we'll see it in detail. And this command will build the Go application, okay, to a binary called main. Okay, so this is my first container, which is going to create the binary file with the name main. And let me start the second stage. There I'm going to use Alpine Image. I told that Alpine is a very limited or a very small Linux image. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the copy command here instead of add from equal to 0. So 0 represents the first stage. Okay, if I have another stage, like for example, my multi-stage build is having, like, let's say 3 stages. If I want to copy something from the second stage, so the option will be from equal to 1. Okay, so in the image, I am going to copy the app / main to /app, and I'm going to expose port number 80, and the CMD for this container is /app. So this is the multi-layer build. So in the first stage, so multi-stage build, in the first stage, I'm building the source code to generate a binary file. And in the next stage, I'm copying the binary file from this stage to the image, and I'm just running that binary file by exposing it on port 80. So let me save this. So let me share this to you guys. Dockerfile.multi. Fine. So let's build this Dockerfile. So till now we were just saving the Dockerfile as a Dockerfile. So we didn't have any issues to specify the file name. But now we have renamed it with a different name. So to build it, the option is Docker build -t. Let me name it as Golang app. And to specify the file name, the option is -f dockerfile.multi, and I need to provide the location where the dockerfile.multi is available. So dot is the current directory. So this is the command. So this is going to first download the Golang 1.6 Alpine because I don't have that image. So it is running that. So it's building the application. So this is the intermediate container where the build application is available. So now in the Alpine, it is copying the file. Okay. So my image is now ready. Let me show you the Docker images output. So now if you see that, so the actual Golang application size is 283 MB. Okay, just note it down. And it has created a temporary container after building it whose size is almost 291 MB. Almost 9 MB the application has cost. But if you see the Golang app, this is the final application image whose size is only 13.2 MB. Because Alpine size is only 5 MB. So the application is almost 8 MB. So I got a very minimalistic image which will run the application for me. So let's run the image. So for that, let me stop the Java application. So Docker stop this Java application. Docker run -d -rm 80:80 because in the Docker file I'm exposing 80, so I'm mapping 80 with the 80 and Golang app. So now if I access my public IP, just the public IP, remove all the things after that, you can see it will print the container ID in which the application is running. So my container ID is 4052A4. So this is my container ID. So that will be my host name on the container.